Hello and welcome to the Iress Exchange overview of income protection features. My name is Stephen Cowdell, one of the business development managers. Okay, so for today's session, we're going to be running through a live demonstration of the latest enhancement to the Iress Exchange for income protection, which we call features. Conducted quite a lot of market research over the past couple of years, and one of the standout pieces was that advisors needed more help when quoting income protection. So we've been working with providers and our customers here at Iress to deliver what I really truly believe is a fantastic enhancement to the service, all aimed at making your sales process a little bit more streamlined and a little bit easier and quicker. So what we're going to do, we're going to run through an income protection quotation, and I'll show you how features works and how to make the most of the Iress Exchange. So the first thing I'm going to do is just run through and add all the mandatory information required in order for you to obtain a quotation for income protection on the exchange. We're just going to look at a maximum benefit for a customer who earns £60,000 with a 6-month deferred period payable to age 65. The exchange is a completely live service, so when you select Get Quote, it sends a quote request to each provider. Then in turn, they return the personalised quotations back to the exchange for you. So here we have the quote results screen. If I scroll down, you'll see the list of all the different providers and their quotations. And hopefully you'll notice the new features element that we've added. If a feature's blue, it means it's included. If it's grey, it means it's excluded. If you hover over, it will show you what that feature relates to, as we can see here. In addition, on the right-hand side of the screen, we've also included a new features tab, which allows you to look at these features in greater detail. Further to that, where you print your comparisons for your results, we've also included a new features report. This also includes a hyperlink through to the provider's websites, which again allow you to explore features in greater detail. So see, as I scroll through the report, at the top we had L&G, onto LV, and it's quite clear here with the green ticks what's included as a feature as part of that income protection product. Back to the quote results. The final thing that you would need to do after generating your comparison prints, including that new features report, is click onto the provider logo to actually proceed and produce the personalized illustration. And then when you're ready, it's just one click to actually apply for the cover. This service is also available via our MultiPolicy service as well. And just to demonstrate that for you, I've got a quotation here that I prepared earlier, which shows some life insurance and some income protection. Income protection features isn't shown on the MultiPolicy Comparison page, other than if you click onto the provider and then look here on the right-hand side. Again, you've got that drop down with all the features. And again, in addition to that, if you want to compare features for the income protection providers, if you were to remove a selected cheapest option, then select Add, you're then presented with a full comparison of all the other providers to allow you to make that informed decision on who to place your client with. So that does conclude this short video demonstrating features which are coming really, really soon in September. We are here to help you. We run a number of free monthly webinars. You can speak to one of our experts by dropping us a line at sourcingadoption@iress.com or give us a call on 03450 530 490. My name's Stephen Cowdell, and thank you for attending today's session on income protection features.